Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how to play GTA 5 with a controller on PC Epic Games. It's very easy, watch full video so you don't miss out any important step. So in this process we will run GTA 5 through Steam. So first thing what you need to do is to close Epic Games and then open Steam. Go to the Steam library section and you will see add a game option in the bottom left corner. So click on it and then select the first option, add a non-Steam game. Then this window will open. Here you will see Epic Games Launcher. So select Epic Games Launcher, then click on add selected programs. After this, Epic Games Launcher will be added here as a non-Steam game. So next step is to right click on Epic Games Launcher and then select properties from the drop down. Then this window will open. Here select controller from the menu on the left side. And now click on this drop down and select enable Steam input. And you can see Steam input is enabled. Now cross this. Next step is to add GTA 5 as a non-Steam game. So click on this add a game option in the bottom left corner and select add a non-Steam game. Here click on browse. Locate GTA 5 file in your PC and select it. After adding GTA 5, you will see that GTA 5 will be added here as a non-Steam game. In my case, I haven't purchased GTA 5, but as long as GTA 5 will appear here, you have to right click on it, go to properties, select controller, and in the same way enable Steam input. After this, you have to launch GTA 5. Your controller will be automatically set up and you will be able to play using your controller. This is how you can play GTA 5 with a controller on PC on Epic Games.